Hi friends, my name is Amanda. I'm a registered dietitian and chef. Today, I want to share with you my one ingredient red lentil crepe recipe. You can use this recipe in a multitude of different ways, sweet or savory, whatever your family enjoys. All you need for this crepe recipe are red split lentils. The first step will involve soaking the red split lentils overnight. Let's begin. These red split lentils have been soaking overnight and now it's time to blend it. So go ahead and carefully pour it into your blender. Add a pinch of salt and puree until smooth. Your mixture should be super creamy. And now we're gonna let it sit for a couple of minutes before we heat it up on our griddle. Once the griddle is hot, pour in half a cup to make one tortilla. Gently spread the batter around to have a uniform layer. I absolutely love lentils because they're such a great source of folate as well as fiber, potassium, and plant-based proteins. Be patient with these lentil crepes. You want to make sure they're fully cooked on one side before trying to flip it. Otherwise, they can break apart on you. So be patient. Once these crepes are done, you can put it onto a cooling rack and continue making them with the rest of your batter. Now that your lentil crepes are all done, you can choose an endless possibility of different fillings or spreads, either sweet or savory. So for example, you can top one off with some of the berry chia jam and then roll it up like this and enjoy. Or you can make a savory option. Here I have some aioli and some sardines and a few vegetables. So in your crepe, you can top off with some lettuce and sardines, some aioli. This one is a pesto aioli, so it has basil and parsley mixed in with some lemon. Top it with some sprouts. And how delicious does that look? Full of protein, iron, and calcium. I hope you enjoyed these lentil crepes as much as I do. And until next time, relish every bite.